In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let's open up your browser and get to that page, contacts.google.com, to get the list of all of your contacts associated to that specific Google account. And now I can tap on that contact icon, for example at that, to select them, and then tap on that three dots icon and here select export. At that step I can choose what to export: selected contacts, it's one, or all the contacts that I got in that account. I will select just one, and here export as I will select WeCard option and then tap on export button. Then tap allow, and now I can, for example, update this contact. Here you see that these numbers are similar, and that's why this number was just added here. I will delete that and tap update.